The coronavirus epidemic, otherwise known as COVID-19, is currently ravaging the nations of the world, shutting down borders, schools, and even football leagues have been postponed and cancelled. Our team has gone on the streets to hear from Nigerians about their opinions, their misconceptions, and the facts. This is Awarewa.tv, powered by the Twim Art Institute. My name is Odeshola Oluwatobi.
I don't hear coronavirus. I don't even know the meaning. I don't even know how you look like. I never even set my eyes on people that having it. Moreover, and that is likewise when they say Ebola, this, that. I don't believe that people that bring all this sickness from rich people, when they travel there, they bring one sickness or the other to Nigeria. But I believe that when they come to that airport, all of them, they carry the sickness, they carry it to go back there. I've not seen any, maybe let's call it poor people or having all those nonsense sickness that used to call one big names.
Yeah, yes, wọlé kò yé wa. I know wọlé látara ẹranko. Bóyá adìyẹ ni, bóyá ẹran ni, bóyá ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ ni. Ọ̀tá wa tá a jẹ́ ni, àbẹ̀rọ̀ kí àrùn yẹn kó mú wa. Ní Ọ̀yọ́ ṣe pàápàá ní Nàìjíríà.
This infection seems to appear or seems to be transmitted by the fusion of bats and snake.
It is a lie. There's nothing like coronavirus. It's just a creativity by the Western world. Akwai World Health Organization da ake samun cewa lokacin da HIV/AIDS ya fito, ana cewa HIV/AIDS is not even real. An ce cleverness ne dan a reducing population. Lokacin da Ebola ya fito, shi ma an kawo irin wannan. An ce duk symptoms ɗin Ebola, dan Adam na da symptoms na Ebola. Kuma duk wanda yake ganin symptoms ɗin coronavirus, symptoms ne na fever. When you are feverish, the symptoms is you start coughing, sneezing, and the rest of it like that, and your body temperature will be high. And the coronavirus, the moment your body temperature is high, then you have coronavirus. Why do we push olden days people that always their body is hot?
The Bible says by the end time, a lot of viruses, a lot of diseases will be coming that we have not heard about before. So I believe this is one of the signs of the end time.
Wọ́n ní ọ̀gbẹ́ni kan wá láti ìlú Ìtàló tó ti gbé wọ orílẹ̀-èdè yìí ìkànnì yẹn. Lẹ́yìn iṣẹ́ ìdẹ̀mọ̀ wípé mo fẹ́ jẹ́ ká kórí wa lójú dáadáa gbangba wípé plane kan tó kéré jù ó máa ń gbé bí èrò 400. So definitely máa yan àtàwọn èrò bí 400 náà jọ wá sí Nàìjíríà nìyẹn. So tó bá kéré jù lára àwọn èrò 400 ó yẹ kí mẹ́ta àbí mẹ́rin ti ní bí àìsàn yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀. So ẹ jẹ́ ká fura definitely tá a bá fẹ́ fi ìgbà kan bọ ẹyọ kan nínú àìsàn ti wà ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà.
So many misconceptions out there. But as a nation, how can we prevent the further spread of this known virus, COVID-19?
There's no need to panic, I would say, because panic does not even help. When you are in panic mode, you rarely get anything done.
Like when we visit banks now, before you can enter the banks, I think a sort of sanitation is going on. They will ask you to bring your hand, they will spread something on it, and I believe those are some of the measures. So the government should send people out, like this health personnel, to give more orientation. They should educate the populace on the way forward.
Ìjọba orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà tó ń bá lè jẹ́ ká ṣe bí àwọn African countries àti àwọn European countries tó kù tán ṣe. A gbọ́ pé ní Spain nísìnyí wọ́n ti shut down everything, state of emergency ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Spain lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Dẹ̀ni kejì wọ́n sọ pé àsàtè ní Ghana, Kenya àti àwọn ìlú kọ̀ọ̀kan wà tó yẹ pé wọ́n sọ pé even ọmọ school kò lè lọ sí school mọ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ coronavirus yẹn ní àwọn African countries tiwa náà. So ìgbésẹ̀ tó tọ́ àti tó yẹ làwọn orílẹ̀-èdè yẹn ti ń gbé láti rí dájú wípé àìsàn yóò tàn kálé ká oko, which they have to follow such thing they've been doing in those countries in Nigeria as well. Ọmọ tó lọ léèwé lénìí àbí tó bá máa tó lọ lọ́la, Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ ká rí, ó lè jẹ́ olùkọ́ wọn gan àbálejò tó máa wó olùkọ́ wọn wá ló máa gbé wá sí school wọn. Ṣé ẹ dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé àwọn Yorùbá máa ń sọ pé ọmọ kékeré rèé wọn mọ́lé olódì. Tá bá jẹ́ sọ pé àwọn ọmọ secondary school wọ́n sì lè mọ ilé take care ara wọn díẹ̀, kì í ṣe gbogbo wọn. Àwọn institution míì gan wọn lè take care ara wọn. So I believe let everything be shut down in this country as well.
We don't have the medical infrastructure the likes of US, Canada have. So we don't want to expose ourselves to a disease that we cannot obviously manage.
Where my brother is in Manchester, yesterday they could not go to church because of the epidemic. So they are running the church from home now. They are online church. It's like they have stopped some of the people going to work. They said they should be doing their work online, so that at least the gathering, they will reduce the number of people gathering in a place.
These Almanjeres, when you see them, when you eat, they don't even know the diseases you are carrying. Before you leave where you are eating like this, they will just carry the food. So that's another poverty. Poverty should be eradicated. So you understand? The children in the north should be given proper education. With that education, I believe they will create awareness for them.
I saw a thread on Twitter not long ago. Someone it was from an Italian, and the Italian was talking about how they thought they would never have anything to do with coronavirus in their country. They were just going about their ways. They thought it was far away in Wuhan, China, and then there was no need for panic. They were going about their ways until these things, it came home, and then you see that somebody died, somebody has it, and now the whole of the country is quarantined. That means no work, nothing. This was the economy too is down. We are even feeling the impact here. Dollar is about over 400 now because no activity in world economies generally. Things are down, so we are feeling the impact already. So I think it is safe for every Nigerian to begin to take these things seriously and begin to do all that we advise to do. Wash your hands, social distancing. You don't go about hugging. You don't go about do carrying on like you don't care. You never know.
People should try to wash their hands at least for 20 seconds with soap and water. Then people should avoid close contact with those people who are sick. If you know you are sick, the person should stay at home. We should not touch our mouth, nose, and our eyes with unwashed hands. We all have a responsibility,
as Nigerians, as family members, to do what we have to do to make sure that these things don't come here and we don't spread it.
One thing is sure, Nigeria cannot afford the further spread of this epidemic because we have neither the facilities nor the funds. Therefore, we are calling on the government to be proactive about restricting further entries through our borders, and to individuals to take every measure to prevent the further spread of this known virus, COVID-19.